Today I'm going to show you how to use Seedance, completely free. Yes, you heard that right. All the major AI video generation tools are locked behind paywalls, making it nearly impossible to create high-quality videos without spending money. So I went looking for a better solution, a tool that generates cinematic videos complete with sound effects. You get full access to the powerful Seedance model, up to 50 consecutive videos, with no paywalls blocking the good stuff. And my favorite part? There is virtually zero waiting time. You click generate, and it starts immediately. Every single video you're watching right now is generated completely free. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the BytePlus website. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the model section. Now keep clicking the left arrow until you find the Seedance 2.0 model. Once you see it, click on it. On the next page, click Get Started. This will open a new workspace. Now click on the Playground section and sign in using your Google account. Once inside, you'll notice several model options. For this tutorial, we're going to select Seedance 1.5 Pro. And yes, this is the real Seedance model that everyone has been talking about. Once you start using it, you'll quickly understand why. Before generating anything, let's adjust a few settings. By default, the platform generates 4 videos at once. We don't need that. Change it to 1 video. You can also adjust the video duration. For this demo, I'll keep it at 5 seconds. Next, choose your aspect ratio. You can select either portrait mode for Shorts and TikTok, or landscape mode for YouTube videos. I'll use landscape mode for this example. Now simply paste any prompt you want to turn into a video. I already have a prompt prepared, so let's test it. Click Generate. Within moments, the video is ready. Just take a look at the quality, the motion, and the sound effects. Honestly, this is exactly what most creators are looking for. Let's try another example. I'll hit Generate again and wait a few seconds. And once again, the result looks incredibly cinematic. Now, let's test one of the more powerful features. As you can see, you have the option to upload both a first frame and a last frame. Let's try that. Upload your starting image, your ending image, add a prompt, and click Generate. Once again, the result is surprisingly good. You can also use a single image as a reference. Simply upload the image, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. Within a few moments, you'll have another video ready. Take a look at the result. What's impressive is that there is no long queue time. Each generation starts almost instantly. And when you're working on larger projects, that speed can save a huge amount of time. Let's try one final example. This time, I'll use a more complex scene and a more detailed prompt. Hit Generate and wait a few moments. And once again, the result is solid. For documentary videos, AI animations, educational content, and cinematic scenes, this tool is surprisingly useful. And the fact that it's currently free makes it even better. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tool and whether you'd like to see more tutorials like this.